What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up spending alerts in Bright. Are you trying to stay on top of your daily expenses? Here's how to set up spending alerts in Bright to catch overspending before it happens. First, open the Bright app and tap on your profile icon and go to settings and then tap on notifications. Select spending alerts. Here you're going to see several alert types to choose from. There's daily spending limits, weekly or monthly cap, as well as single transactions alert threshold. Tap daily spending limits and then set an amount that fits your budget, like $10,000 or $100. You can also set a monthly cap for broader tracking. Just turn on single transaction alerts to be notified anytime a transaction exceeds a certain amount. And after setting your preferences, just tap save. Now, Bright will send you real-time alerts when you're getting close to your limit or overspend, so that you always stay in control. Like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials that keep your wallet on track.